We are going to explain bank reconciliation statement as per passbook balance. Okay, but before to that going, we can please note this कि cash book and passbook. In cash book, if debit balance is there, it is always deposit, and in the cash book, if any credit entry is there, it shows a payment entry. However, in passbook, debit entry shows all the payment or withdrawal or deduction from your account, and credit entry shows your deposit entry. So in the question, if it is written credit as per passbook, it is a ordinary balance account, or balance as per passbook, it is a credit balance. So here in the 17th question, it is given balance as per cash book. However, in their balance as per passbook, it was 50,000. So what we will write? We are going as per passbook balance. So we will write 50,000. 50,000 is the balance, so it will go to the plus column. Okay. Now point number A. Two checks of 2,000 and 5,000 were paid into bank in October 2016, but were not credited by the bank in the month of December. Because this statement is as on December, so up to December it was not credited. So two checks of 2,000 and 5,000 were paid into the bank. So checks paid into means checks deposited. Checks deposited. Check paid into. Paid into means deposited. Paid into bank, but not credited. But not credited. Here, if you see the position, cash book and passbook entry position. In cash book, when the check was deposited by the businessman, he might have increased his balance. But in the bank, there was no entry. We are going as per passbook balance, so we cannot touch cash book. So what the passbook should do? They should also credit this entry to square this off. So 2,000 plus 5,000, it should come here. 2,000 and 5,000, it will come here. Add column. Then B point. A check of 800, which was received from a customer, was entered in the bank column of cash book. Entered in the bank column of cash book in December, but was omitted to be banked in December 16. So check received, and they have entered in the cash book, but not sent to the bank. So check entered in cash book, but not sent to bank. Not sent to bank. Sent to bank. So position is what? Position of here you see cash book and passbook. So businessman has entered in his cash book, but bank has not done anything. Cash book you cannot touch because you are doing as per the passbook. So you have also, passbook should also credit it, and then it will be square off. So 800. Here one thing again I am telling you, it is a statement, it is not an account, and on the basis of this we are not actually posting any entries. We are just assuring that these are the actual differences which are causing problem, and so later on by rectification of entries we will rectify this. Okay, so here nothing to be fearful. It is a statement just to check plus and minus you are doing and seeing whether the balance agrees with the cash book or not. Okay, now C point. Check for 10,000 were issued into bank in November 2016, but not debited. But here in the question it is credited, what is printed, it should be debited. Debited by check issued is always debited in the bank, by the bank on December 2016. So check issued, but not debited in bank, means you see all the debit entry of passbook, it denotes payment or withdrawal. So bank has not made a payment. CB and passbook position you see. When businessman issues a check, he reduces his balance. Bank is not aware, so bank has not done anything. Cash book you cannot touch because it is passbook, so here it is minus. What bank should do? They should go for minus side. So in the statement it will be written in the minus column. So 10,000. Okay. Now D point. Interest on investment 1,000 collected by bank appeared in the passbook. Okay, interest on investment collected by bank. Interest on investment appeared in passbook. Now you see the position. This is cash book position and passbook position. In the passbook it is entered. Interest is credited. So interest when bank will collect, they will increase your balance. So passbook deposits are always credit entries. So they will go for a plus entry. Businessman, he is not aware, and his book also we cannot suggest anything. So in the passbook, what bank we will suggest to the bank, they should make it minus entry just to check whether it is the final entry. So to confirm it, the differences. So here it will come to this side. They will again. Now balance. Now the question is this side 5, 7, 800, and here this side 11,000. So it will come to this side 11,000. 1, 2, 3, 11,000. So balance is 800, 6, 46, 800. 46, 800. So here what we learn, it is a balance as per passbook. So here, and balance means it is always debit balance. Passbook balance means debit balance. Also debit you can write. So whatever the answer will come opposite to it. Answer will come credit balance as per passbook. It should be cash book. And this answer is your this one. Okay, this is your answer. Credit. If you will not write credit, even you write balance as per cash book, it will be balance means always balance in the cash book, and cash book. Passbook balance means it is always credit entry, because credit is deposit. So it will be just opposite to it, which means debit balance. Debit balance in the cash book means deposit. So it will agree. Deposit here credit balance as per passbook. Answer will come just opposite to it. Debit balance as per this one. This is answer is okay. Now we will go. Question number 9. Mr. Mohit's current account showed a credit balance. Current account means bank account. Current account is bank account. A credit businessman, they keep a current account. Showed a credit balance of 20,000. Credit balance means deposit balance. So credit balance in the passbook, it will go to the plus column. Credit column shows a balance of 20,000 as on December 2016. Date is the same date. Okay, now point number 1. A check of 4,000 drawn on his saving account has been shown in the current account when check of SB account shown on current account. So first we will see what is the position cash book and because I am telling you this thing so that you can individually do rest of the questions. I am not solving all the questions, just I am making you enable to do the questions yourself by these methods. So here what we write the position, check of 4,000 drawn. So check of 4,000 drawn on saving bank. businessman should not have entered it here in the cash book. But what he has done, he has reduced his. What happens in the passbook? It was minus entry. Bank has entered in the current account. Current account is maintained at the bank. And cash book, businessman, they have a cash book with bank column. So when it is written on his current account means in the passbook. But businessman, he has not done it here. And his book also we cannot touch. So what bank should do? Bank should take it as a plus entry for there, just to ensure accuracy. So here it should come to the 400 should come to the, again will come to the plus point, because bank has done an erroneous entry. This is erroneous entry. He issued 2 checks of 300 and 500 on December 25, but only first check was presented for payment. It means 300 was paid within the date, within this date. So there is no problem. Both have done the same thing and there is no problem. Problem is of second check of 500. Check issued but not presented. Check issued but not presented. Here if you see the position, I am telling this so that you can also make your own for the rest of the questions. Passbook. What happened? Check issued. Check issued means businessman has reduced his balance, but bank not presented, bank has not done anything. Now in the cash book you cannot do anything, suggest anything. So in the passbook they also should it in the minus side and it will agree with the cash book. 500. Okay. Then the third entry. The third entry. One check issued by Mr. Mohit of 500 on December 25, but it was not presented for payment, whereas it was recorded twice in the cash book. Oh, check not presented. Check issued. Check issued, not presented. Not presented means in bank. Not presented, entered twice in cash book. Entered twice in cash book. Twice in cash book. This is also erroneous entry. Due to error this is coming. In cash book of 500. So the position is cash book is here. Cash book is here and passbook is also here. Passbook. Position. Cash book twice entered means they have 2 times they have reduced the balance. 2 times they have reduced the balance. So bank has done, cash book has done a minus entry. Passbook, nothing was done because the check was not presented to the bank. Cash book we cannot suggest anything, so passbook we will suggest they should go for a minus. So here minus it will be of 1000. Double. Okay. Now this is over. 20,400 and here 1,500. It will come to this side 1,500. Okay. So now after minus 18,900. So here what will this is credit balance as per passbook. We'll write balance. Balance as per passbook. Here it will be cash book. Okay, and this is your answer. It is here. And here this is credit balance. It should be debit balance. Either you write credit balance or not. Balance as per cash book means it is a deposit, and balance as per cash book, if you will not write balance means deposit balance. Okay. So this is this one. Now because we are not doing all the questions, some questions we are doing so that you will also be able to do some other questions based on this type of reasoning. You just make a reasoning cash book and passbook and see what is the position, which book you are dealing with. You are dealing with passbook, so all the entries you have to suggest for the passbook. Okay, thank you.